Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to check the quality of the cement on site, and also we will learn about how to know the expiry date of the cement bag. I have seen most of the people don't check and don't bother about it, which is a very little thing, because it's a cement bag is good within 2 months. 2 months it's good, then after that it starts deteriorating in its strength. It's a very important thing that you check the date of packing of the cement. How to check the date of packing of cement bag? So number one, date of packing. So it is written in two different ways generally. The first one, common in India, is this way. So you have W, M, Y, and here are the values, some values written, or somewhere it's written like this. And this is common around the world, and this is popular in India. So what this means is week, month, and year. And here similarly week and year are only mentioned. So if it's something like 1712, so what does this mean? This means the cement was manufactured in, that is packed in, year 2017. Okay, 2017. First month 1 is written, that is first month, that is January, and 2 means second week of January, second week of Jan. So this is the way we can understand it is interpreted. Second case is a bit common, and nobody seems to know more about it, because it's written in such a way that anyone get confused. So if we write this in this format, it will be like 7 2. So again, if you don't know what this one is, then it's just a puzzle for you. So you have to know. So this can be interpreted as second week. So first week, second week. So it goes from 1 to how many weeks in a year? 52 weeks. So it goes from 1 to 52, this value. And this is just a year. So it becomes the date of the cement. So if it's like something written like this, week, here is month and year. This is generally for India, so I'm writing this. A week is written 2117. So what will be its expiry date? Just add 3 months. But the recommended is 2 months. Best use of cement is 2 months. If you use within 2 months, it will give you the best result. So after 3 months, what happens is it reduces its strength is reduced by what? 20%. If you use after 6 months, then its strength reduced by 30%. Okay, so this is very important thing. And if you use after 12 months, I won't recommend you using, except the minor works, 40%. And if you use after 24 months, then it's around 50%, reduced around 50%. So this is very important thing that you need to take care of while you are on site. Okay, so next thing you should take care of is the color of the cement. You can check on the site is color of the cement. So its color should be uniform. Okay, uniform gray with a light greenish shade. So it will be that's the perfect color for the cement. And when you so color should be gray with greenish with light greenish shade. Okay, sorry, I wrote shade, shape. It should be shade. Okay, shade. And this is the second. Third point is take a pinch of rubbing, take a pinch of pinch in between your finger and rub it gently. If it feels smooth, it should feel smooth. That means it is free from adulteration. That means free from adulteration. Okay, that is free from adulteration. And fourth point to check is, fourth point you should be checking is, just put hand on just put hand on the bag, cement bag. If it feels cool, means no hydration taking place. No hydration is taking place, so that's good. The fifth thing you have to check is, just take a pinch of cement and put it on a bucket of water. It should sink. If cement sink, then it's fine. Remember, it should not float on the surface. And that is the float test. Okay, float test. Sixth test is smell test. Just take a small amount of cement and try to smell it. If the cement has pounded clay and still adulterant, then it will give you earthly smell. Now go to the seventh. Seventh is to check for the lumps. Open the bag of cement and see if there are presence of any lumps. If lumps are present, that indicates that cement is setting. So it was attacked by the moisture, so it will not be like that.